Hey guys.
Did it start already?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh.
Whoa, you can see myself back there. We can see you, see you.
Ah, my eye.
I'm filming with Alina. This is my other best friend. We're doing late night adventures.
Woo.
Are we gonna go to Walmart?
I don't know. Whatever.
Okay, we have to show them what time it is because my phone's on the way in the other room.
Here. It is 9:47. I'm at 9:46.
It's so late because we're such rebels. Saturday night, partying. Oh my god, I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show Harley. Harley! Look how cute you are. Look how cute he is. Oh my god, you are too cute. You are too cute. Like, look at his little tongue. You're so cute. So cute. So cute. So cute. I'm obsessed. Start all the way. Yo, this is terrible lighting. Oh, we're going to Walmart to get cookies. You idiot, why would you put me on the camera? I was gonna block it. Dude.
Wait. Just say where we're going first. And then...
I said it. We're going to Walmart.
Okay. So we're going to Walmart to get cookies.
Camera's gonna fall. What if we get one of those videos where we're like filming and then like someone crashes into us and
Oh my god. What if there was like a ghost that like took over the car and then we got it on video?
Like a rainy Sunday morning makes me want to stay in bed, twisted up all day long. Hey, see forever when I see your face, and I swear God made you for me. You make it easy, loving up on you, make it easy with every little thing you do. You're my sunshine in the darkest days, my better half, my second. Make it easy. You took out my room.
This one goes to all you guys who I really can't stand. Stop shooting on girls! Ah!
Right now, he's probably slow dancing with a beach blonde tramp, and she's probably getting twisted right now, and he don't know that I dug my key into the side of his pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive, carved my name into his leather seat. Oh, you know it won't be on me.
Sorry, not on me.
I dug my key into the side of his pretty little souped-up four-wheel drive, so hum it on four tires, and maybe next time I'll think before he cheats.
She looks so pretty with no makeup on. Raps to an Eminem song. That's my girl. You used to
Where I
see
gotta
us
be singing
smiles.
this song. Destroy our music.
Yeah, that's my girl in the passenger seat, weighing us down, dancing. Oh, now. You know you got everybody looking. Got a little room in my big truck. Gonna open up the doors and turn it up. Gonna stomp my boots in the Georgia mud. Gonna watch you make me fall in love. Get up on the hood of my daddy's truck. Country girl, shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me, girl. Shake it for me. Hey,
wrong. I locked it.
We party. Yes, sir.
So we're back at Alina's. Alina's in the shower right now. We found our cookies and we're gonna bake them for y'all. It's gonna be fun. But I'm here with Harley. He's so freaking cute. I love him so much. Here we go. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Oof. It's hot in there, like me.
We love a steamy sister.
I hope you. Oh my god. Please. Find the die.
Here we go.
Oh, I thought I did the thumbs up.
My glasses are foggy.
They look puffy. Look at that one.
Yours looks puffy.
Okay, well I did mine good, so.
What if they're not done? Shut up!
Jesus Christ, you scared me. Montage.
Boom. Get you guys a new chef.
Ew.
Good morning. We are going to Cracker Barrel to get breakfast.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the car.
You look rough. I look rough. I look rough.
Dunkin' Donuts.
What is this, a chicken biscuit? They put buttermilk ranch. Ugh. Bro, this should come with a hash
It's
brown.
hot. It's hot. 10 out of 10.
Not that hot.
Story time real quick. So, I seen a teacher in middle school who I actually hated. And I was talking to him and he sounded nice. But I still can't stand him. And neither can my mom. So, yeah.
Honestly, I really don't like coffee. But I like macchiatos.
Well, there's bacon on here.
Dude, I was reading the menu like this. Couldn't see. What's a kiki?
What?
Did you know Fifi's an older woman?
Uh-huh. You know, senile was a crazy person.
No. But it kind of sounds like it. Can you see now?
Are you senile?
This song just made my feels.
We're not sponsored.
Maybe we just weren't right.
But that is a lie. That's a lie.
The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never known.
This is really good.
So close to being in love.
Right.
We both knew what love was.
Bro, do you ever like have one of those like really, really long parts and you're just like, oh, it's keep coming.
Yeah, and then you're
It's
like, we also got donuts.
You got donuts. Okay, back to the house we go. What if I don't remember to do that?
I'm just barely got that nobody what I do. Bet you another picture I can cut you up and hide you. I'll get you out my mind. I'll be with my dreams. I know you know how to treat.
What we do here is go back.
lit Sundays. Just clean our rooms.
So, Maddie, why are you finding AAA batteries? Just want to know. I love you, beach. And I never stop loving you, beach. And I hope you don't find batteries because I love you, beach. And that didn't really make sense, but I still love you, beach. And I'm pretty sure you're coming, beach. But I'm not really sure. But I'm kind of thirsty. And when you're rewatching this, text me because I might or might not have my phone back. Go Chargers.
Okay, we're gonna do face mask. So I literally have, that's my hair mask. I literally have 12 face masks. Let's start this process. I look so ugly when I do this. Ew, why do I look dumb with my hair like this? Just know that these sheets just don't move. Do you think it's been 3 minutes?
No.
It looks satisfying. Ew, I don't want to get in that close. I think it's been 3 minutes. Is this to really like, oh god, it definitely has been 3 minutes. It's like all dry and sticky on my face. It's burning! My sensitive skin. Bro, I have really sensitive skin, so this like made my face really red. I'm gonna go wash this off. Okay, after that, my face is a little red. But honestly, it feels smooth. Okay, you idiot. This is like, do you see that? How would you paint with that?
Easy.